do this because I've actually had a request for a brow tutorial recently. I'm gonna go in with my Benefit Precisely My Brow in number 3. I'm gonna swipe through my brows really quick. Yes, I know this is dirty, but I'm just using it to get this junk out of my brows anyway. So here's Precisely My Brow 3. So I use this to start my arch. I do top and bottom. And then I go with number 2 to do the inside and those little inside hairs. I do extend it out a little bit because my brows are too short from over plucking in high school. So just bring that in a little bit. Then just make it look like brows. Then I use the spoolie to just kind of brush through it to blend it so it's not so matted and dark. Like you want it to blend and be structured, but you don't want it to look matted and glued to your face, you know? Although the bushy brows are coming back, have you guys seen? I'm not okay with that. I'm not a bushy brow kind of girl. I'm a very structured, like sharp cut contour and, you know, contoured nose, and I want everything to look really sharp and done. But whatever blows your kilt up, I guess. So I'm gonna make my arch a little sharper. So I'm feeling sharp today. That's it. Literally, that's it. Just 2 pencils. Unless you just wanted to make it more complicated. But I'm not gonna show you how. So I'm gonna do the other one off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, brows are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, all that, and hit the bell so that you get notifications every time I upload. That's it for this tutorial, and I will see you guys next time. And remember, if you think it's too much, just put one more thing on. Go dazzle them, doilies!